Hello everyone, it's Sophia from FUI Group. Today, we are going to talk about how to choose scrubs for different body types. When you shop for yourself, what is the first thing you think about? Size? Color? Fit? Style? Trendy or passé? Do you do the same when selecting your nursing uniforms, or do you have to switch your brain because it is work-related? In anything related to clothing, there are two important things you must consider: your body's measurements and your body type. Hubert da Vinci said it well: the dress must follow the body of a woman, not the body following the shape of the dress. Even though you are looking for medical scrubs for work, you still want to look great and present a confident image. Nurses wear their scrubs a lot more than their personal clothing, so in getting to know their body well, they will start becoming more aware of their curves and angles and lines. When choosing the right nursing uniform, there is a wide variety for you to choose from: scrub tops, scrub pants, and skirts down to nursing shoes and accessories. There are 5 common body types. Rectangle, which is strong, broad shoulders, proportional hips and the lack of a highly defined waist. Hourglass, full bust that is equal or very close in measurement to your hip, narrow waist. Apple, narrow hips, most of your weight accumulates above the hips, your back/ribs/shoulders are broad. Inverted triangle, large bust, wide shoulders, small hips, more top heavy versus bottom heavy. Pear, hip measurement is larger than bust measurement and a small to average sized waist, shoulders and torso are narrower than the hips. We've rounded up 5 types of scrubs that work well for each body type and what's least suitable for them through the 5 pictures we show above. You can outfit yourself with mock wrap tops if you are an hourglass shape, v-neck, side stretch panel tops if you are a pear shape, boot cut or flared scrub pants if you are an apple shape, wide leg pants or flared skirts if you are an inverted triangle shape, and lastly, ruffles or ruching if you are a rectangle shape. Accentuate your features with the right fit and your choices will naturally complement your personality and style. For those of you in medical field, you are wearing medical scrubs much more than these other garments, so why not carry over these same tips and tricks for your workday look? We've compiled this chart with 5 common body types to help you find a scrub top and scrubs pants look that will best flatter and fit your unique shape. Keep in mind, these are only general pointers to help you look and feel your best. After all, the best look you can wear is a smile.